Land, identity, power. In South Africa, these words are more than concepts. They are the battleground of history and the blueprint of the future. The Pan-Africanist Congress of Azania, PAC, was born from a rejection of the ANC's non-racialist approach. It stands for a singular, uncompromising vision land for its rightful indigenous owners. No exceptions, no conditions. In a world where land is currency, the PC sees it as something far greater, the foundation of heritage, sovereignty, and self-determination. They call the current land reform process a scam, an elaborate act of political theater. Their demand, total decolonization, a complete restructuring, no individual ownership, only communal custodianship under an entity outranking even the state itself. But here's the paradox. The PAC advocates for open nationalism, a fusion of Pan-Africanist ideals with a liberal state model. Can these two ideas truly coexist, or is this just another ideological tightrope walk destined to collapse? Is this the solution to South Africa's land question, or just another radical dream doomed to repeat history? The debate rages on. Choose your side at rictextual.co.za.